Hi, welcome to the Big Bear Homestead, and today is part 2 in growing a peach tree from seed. Hi, I'm Jason from the Big Bear Homestead, and if this is your first time here and you want to learn about everything homesteading, I'm talking about things like animal husbandry, gardening, predator control, hunting, canning, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget the bell. So today is part 2 in growing your peaches from seed. So if you missed the first part in this video series, go ahead, hit that card that's up in here somewhere. It's going to be around here somewhere. And that'll take you back to get you caught up to where we are today. So if you haven't watched that, we'll wait. Okay. Boom. So it's been 8 weeks. To be honest with you, it's been a little bit longer than 8 weeks because at the 8-week mark we had the Homesteaders of America conference. And if you missed that, catch that recap right here. So we've mimicked winter by placing our seeds in the refrigerator. So now it's time to go to the refrigerator and pull our seed out, and then we plant our seed. Now, what we do is we put our seed in a small container. And the reason why we're choosing a small container to plant our seed in is it helps us with moisture control and weed control. We want that seed to have all of the nutrients that it needs from the dirt to be able to produce a strong and healthy tree. Now, the next steps after this will be transplanting your tree from the small container into a larger container. Let it sit in there until it grows some more. And you want to constantly transplant until you get to about a 2 to 3 gallon container. Once you've reached a 2 to 3 gallon container, then you want to start to what they call harden your plant to the outside. Which means is as soon as you get this seed in the dirt in your first container, you're going to place it on a windowsill. And then as it begins to grow and mature, you're going to transplant it into larger containers. So you're going to keep this either in your house or in a greenhouse. Then once it reaches to that 2 to 3 gallon stage, then you're going to want to harden it to outside conditions. And what you will do is expose your peach tree to the elements a little bit at a time. 30 minutes, an hour, 4 or 5 hours, half a day, a full day, a couple of days, weeks, until you feel that you're relatively confident that your tree has been hardened to the elements and it's time for you to plant your tree. Once you reach that stage, or once our seedling reaches that stage, we will be at part 3 in this video series where we show you how to transplant your peach tree from your 2 to 3 gallon container and plant it outside. Now, to stay up to date with how our peaches that we're starting from seed are going, come by and check out our live stream every Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we will begin to show picture clips of our trees as they start to grow, from the time when they start to germinate to when they get a little bit taller to a little bit taller, and as we transplant and go on. We wish you the best of luck with growing your peaches from seed, and we will see you when it's time to plant outside. Thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead, and like always, have a nice day.